YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag. Now y'all, I do want to give a big shout out to Teddy Blake for sending me over this bag that I'm about to get into. I was going to feature this bag in a like purse collection type of haul, but y'all, I have so many bags and I am so behind with this video. I really want to thank them for being so patient with me. I have been super duper busy, y'all, but this video is long overdue, so I'm like, let me just do a what's in my bag. So that's what we're going to be doing today. This is the beautiful bag that I went with. This bag is everything and then some, okay? First of all, Teddy Blake, if you don't know about them, is a brand that specializes in luxurious, high quality leather bags, but for a fraction of the cost. Now y'all know how designer brands can be with the prices. So with them, you get the same quality with just a fraction of the cost. I'm heavy on cute, bougie, all that stuff, luxury. And remember, the word luxury is whatever you make it, okay? Their bags are beautiful. They have a whole bunch of different styles. This is the Stella Vitello, I think that's what it's called, a 9-inch bag. And I got it in the color royal blue. And y'all, I'm in love. I'm in absolute love with the style. It comes with this little strap. I love the little strap because I love crossbody bags, what it looks like. Y'all, this is so cute. I'm absolutely in love with the style, and it's like the perfect little size, y'all. Like, I love the style. I will have the link below to where you can purchase this bag. That's my Snapchat going off, as well as their website down below. Again, special thank you to them for sending me this bag to review. Let's finally get into what's in my beautiful Teddy Blake bag. So when you open it, it looks like this. This is so cute. Once again, love the style. It's just one of those like clasp clutch. It's almost like a clutch type of bag. That is essentially what it is, y'all. And the inside is freaking beautiful. First of all, it has like a suede inside, as y'all can see, and then it does say Teddy Blake here in the back. I do switch bags quite often. Like, I'm one of those girls that like her bag to match her outfit every time. That means I have to switch it every time, then so be it. For the most part, these are the majority things that I will keep in my bag from day to day, even when I'm switching it. I'll start off with my keys first, y'all. If they can fit in my bag, my keys are usually always with me in my bag. If not, I will just have my bag on and have my keys in my hand. They are on this little like wristlet type of thing that I got from Victoria's Secret. I'm obsessed. My favorite color is pink. If y'all don't know, now you know. I love pink. So yes, I purchased this from Victoria's Secret. This is my main keychain. And then this is just the rest of my keys. I have the tallest building in Dubai. My little sister lives there, and she brought back a souvenir when she came back home. I have a I Heart Houston. Mama just came back from Texas, so she got me this. I just recently went to Miami, so that's what that is. And then I just have the rest of my keys. I have a little K, a little puff, and a lip gloss, my keys, all of that good stuff. So that's my keys. It's really not a what's on my keys, so let's just move on. In my actual bag, I have my phone. Of course, I'm gonna always have my phone on me in my bag. And for my case on my actual phone, I just have a case by Shell Case. I featured them in a video recently. Next in my bag, I have my AirPods with a super cute case that's also from Shell Case. So this is just what it looks like. So next, your girl got her Purell, because germs, that C word is still around, y'all. It's just good to have, especially when I'm in a car, I'm about to eat something, or I just been running errands, I've been touching stuff, and again, I'm getting ready to eat something, drink something. When I get in a car from somewhere, this is what I like to keep on me. We heavy on sanitizer in this house, like sanitizer all day long. Purell, whoever, we gonna have it on deck, okay? In the car, in the purse, in the wallet. Next, y'all, I have 2 lip products. I just recently picked this up. I love cocoa butter. I use it on my body. So I was just recently in a store and I wanted a lip balm because, I mean, y'all, don't get me wrong, I'm the queen of lip gloss. I love lip gloss. I keep it on me all the time, but sometimes you don't want a gloss. You just want something to like really moisturize your lips. Not that lip gloss doesn't, but sometimes I just want a lip balm. So when I was in the store, I got a pack of 2 of these, and it's just a cocoa butter formula, a vitamin E lip balm, and I absolutely love this. This is bomb. And then other than that, I'm gonna keep a hair store lip gloss on me at all times. This is the mango butter one, but I love all of them. These are my 2 lip products. Sometimes I even throw a brown lip liner in my purse, just depending on the day, if I want to touch up on my lip or whatever. But for the most part, plain gloss is gonna be my go-to, or a lip balm. Next, I have a mini deodorant. Now this is just something that I recently added to my purse because usually, y'all, I put deodorant on straight out the shower and then I'm good all day. I don't really have to like touch up, but it is hot outside, so I thought, well, why not just throw it in here. I do plan on actually carrying this bag today. We gonna see though, depending on the fit. I am going to Six Flags in like a few hours actually. This is just something that you can always throw in your purse and your car type of thing. This is just the Dove powder one. I got this when I was traveling to Miami. It was just in the travel section. So yeah, any type of deodorant is good to have. The next thing I see is my Icebreakers, y'all. I freaking love these. I recently just discovered that they freaking made them in watermelon. I was so happy. I love these, y'all. Either gum, sometimes I'll have gum. Most of the time I gravitate to these over gum. I really love these. They taste like candy, but have like a cool side and a fruity side to them. And I believe I actually threw some gum in here because it was almost gone. And yep, I actually have like some Trident, the ones that come in like the car type of gum packs things, if y'all know what I'm talking about. Next, which is super random, I have a pen. You just never really know. Like, you just really never know. Like, I don't know, you never know when you finna go somewhere and you need to sign something, write something. I just like to have my own pen so I don't have to go looking for one. This is just a Papermate Ink Joy one. And then next I have a mask. Now I know they've lifted the mask thing. I ain't gonna get too deep into the whole the thing that's going on still, but I do still like to keep this because you just never know when you need to bust this out, or when a place or person, or like especially getting in lifts and stuff like that, and they want you to have it. So I always keep one in my purse just in case. These are still going around. Yeah, even though I'm gonna just go ahead and say it, these do not protect you from contracting the you know what, you know what I'm saying. I would say these help keep your germs to yourself. Moving along, I have a hair tie. If one isn't on my wrist sometimes, because that can kind of hurt and cut your circulation off already. I do like to have one on me because you just never know. Next I have this fragrance by Dossier. I guess you could say I'm kind of one of their little partners now. I have one of their fragrances. This is a travel size that comes in every box, and this is just like recently has been my favorite fragrance. This is another thing that I just added to my bag because when I spray this, like literally stays on the whole day, y'all. Like, this is a perfume, okay? This is a bomb scent. But yeah, in case I just need to touch up, or if I feel like I can't smell it anymore, or whatever the case is, then I just keep this little sample with me. And y'all, it is running low. Like, she's almost empty. Some type of fragrance, if it's not that. And next, y'all, is like cards, money. Depending on the bag, I will have my cards and money and stuff like this in a wallet, like in a mini. I have like this mini little coin wallet, and I also carry sometimes just any type of wristlet with me. And in those cases, I will have this stuff loose, and sometimes I do have it loose in my bag. It's not the most organized thing, but one like this, it doesn't have any type of slot, so everything is just loose. This is the last thing in my bag, y'all. A bunch of coins, just in case I use cash and I have the exact change. I'm not really heavy on having exact change. Like, I literally will just take change and throw it somewhere in my room. I have movie tickets. I went on like a little double date to the movies. It was real cute, real fun. We went to go see The Forever Purge. So that is what these movie tickets are. I have my credit card, my debit card. Oh, I have a coupon for my puppy because I go to PetSmart a lot and I purchase their little coupon booklet. So that's what that is. I have a nail text card in here. I went to her for my birthday. She was super bomb. I got my ID. I have some movie passes. I used to work at a Marcus movie theater, and we got these when we worked. Every 12 hours you got one. So I'm down to like literally 3 or 4 of these. I think I got another one somewhere. But yeah, if I ever go to the movies again, we getting in for $1. Period. Like, I really do miss working there for that reason. I have a Cash App card. I have my Marcus rewards card in here, another credit card, and $15. Oh, and another PetSmart coupon for Bella. I like to keep cash sometimes. Very heavy on either using my credit card when I shop or my debit card, but in some cases you just never know, like you'll need cash or it's like a cash only. But yeah, y'all, that's basically everything in my purse. It kind of varies, like I said, depending on how big my bag is. Sometimes I'll have more or less. So yeah, for the most part though, these are things that are sure probably gonna be in my bag. That was basically what's in my Teddy Blake bag. She's so cute. I cannot wait to style this. Like, and shout out to Teddy Blake. Make sure you check them out. I will have the link in the description box down below. They have a whole bunch of styles, y'all. They're using real genuine leather. Everything is super duper bomb. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit my bell for post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload, and I will see you guys in the next video.